Hello traders, if you are a trader using MT4, you know the struggle of calculating your risk to reward ratio manually, right? Unlike TradingView, MetaTrader 4 does not provide a built-in risk reward box. Okay, let's just briefly go to TradingView, and then you can see that TradingView offers this feature in which you can just, quickly see your risk to reward, right? The risk to reward box is offered, for free on TradingView, right? Both for sell and for buy, right? But the MetaTrader 4 platform does not have that built-in function, okay, making it harder to visualize your trades. But what if I told you that there is a way for you to, get such feature on the MetaTrader 4 platform? All right. There is actually an automatic tool that does the work for you. Okay, that's exactly what we are going to cover in this video. The automatic risk reward box creator, an indicator that helps you manage your trades like a pro. If you find this useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more trading tips. Okay. Now we're just going to start with the basics. The risk reward box indicator is a simple but powerful tool for MetaTrader for traders. In fact, for all traders, right? Now the indicator is actually a custom indicator, so you will have to download this indicator from a third-party site. Just ensure that you're downloading it from the right source. Okay, you can actually try out the indicator spot. I've talked about it already in previous videos. I've showed how the indicator spot site looks like. In fact, that was where I got this indicator from. Okay, you can actually check it out if you want to make use of this indicator. So basically, as you can see, as I added the indicator to the chart, it has already helped to, identify risk to reward. All right, so because this is a buy trend, as you can see, this is a buy trend. So ideally the indicator is giving the upper part to be green and the lower part to be red. So the risk is too much compared to the reward. So this is not a good opportunity to catch, right? It's advisable to always trade in the direction of the trend, right? So if you want to enter a trade, a trade currently based on this trend, then you should ideally enter a buy trade. But based on the look of things, the risk is too much compared to the reward. It ought to be the other way around. All right. Now, if you find this video useful, I'm just reminding you again, please don't forget to give it a like. Okay. Risk management is one of the most important aspects of trading. Okay. Without it, traders often take random trades, without understanding the potential downside. All right. Um, okay, so you can see that when you go to a different time frame, if you want to get because this indicator works across all time frames, so if you want to get the risk to reward prediction for a particular time frame, you can just, when you jump to that time frame, you can just click the reset all box button and you're going to get the prediction for that particular time frame, right? So you can see any time frame that you go to, you can just do that. So the indicator actually works on different time frames and different currency pairs as well. Okay. All right. Now, with the risk to reward box indicator, let me just open the navigator so that I can just easily add this indicator to any chart that that I go to. Okay, because we want to look at this indicator working on different different charts. Yeah, want to look at it working on different charts. All right. Okay. Yeah, I'm looking for an example that actually had a good risk to reward ratio. That's what exactly I'm looking for right now, because it seems to say here the examples we're having currently. Okay, this might give us a good one. Obviously not. It didn't because of It's a buy trend, it's a buy move. So the indicator is going to give you a signal for a buy. Yes, at least this one looks better. If you notice, the indicator gives signals, not necessarily signals, but it's kind of a signal still. It identifies the risk to reward based on the trend. If it is a if a buy move is prevailing, it's going to give you a reward box in the buy direction and a risk box in the sell direction. But if a sell move is prevailing, it doesn't matter if the risk to reward is good or it doesn't matter if the risk to reward is poor or good. It doesn't necessarily matter. For the fact that it is a buy trend, it doesn't the indicator does not care if it doesn't care if you want to trade against the trend. What it does is it identifies the box for you in the direction of the trend. So ideally, if you want to enter a position, because this is a buy move, the buy move is prevailing. We have a prevailing bullish momentum right now. The indicator is giving you a hint that any trade you want to enter right now it's supposed to be a buy trade. Okay, and the reward for that buy trade is highlighted in this green box, while the ideal risk is highlighted in this red box. Okay, so when you notice that the risk is beyond the reward, of course, you have to do the right thing by just staying out of the trade. Okay, but when you identify an example where the reward is bigger than the risk, then you can just consider taking the trade if you get your confirmations. Okay, so once you apply the risk reward box to your MT4 chart, it will automatically display, and then any time frame you go to, you can actually click on this reset all box. When you do that, the indicator is going to reset based on that time frame. All right, it's going to give you it's going to give you a risk to reward box based on that particular time frame. Okay, so the green box shows you the distance from your entry to your take profit, while the red box shows you the distance from your entry to your stop loss. Okay, with this indicator, you can easily calculate your risk and reward per trade. You can visually analyze whether a trade is worth taking, and you can avoid setups with poor risk to reward ratios. Okay, such as these that we identified, areas where the risk is smaller than the reward. You can just quickly avoid them, and you can be able to set realistic stop loss and take profit levels, because the indicator is going to just help you identify those levels. So this means no more guessing. You have a clear trade plan every time. Okay, now what's the best part? You can use this indicator on any time frame, whether you are a scalper, day trader, or swing trader. It works across all markets, including Forex indices and commodities. Okay, so one before we round up, just bear in mind that one major downside of MetaTrader 4 is that it doesn't have a built-in risk reward box like TradingView. Okay, so that is the reason why, if you need this feature, you have to download the indicator and add it to your indicators folder, after which you have to restart your terminal, and you'll be able to add the indicator to your chart. So briefly, I'm going to show you where to add the indicator after you have downloaded the file. After you've downloaded the file, you can just go to open data folder. You click on file, you go to open data folder, then you click on MQL4, then you go to indicators. All right, then you're going to paste the file in here. You can see this is actually the file. I had already downloaded it. This is the file, this exact one. So I pasted it inside the indicators folder. Then when you are done with that, you can just exit it, and then you have to restart your terminal, and then automatically you'll be able to add the indicator to your chart. So that is it for this video, guys. If you're serious about trading, using the automatic risk reward box creator can make a big difference in your risk management and trade execution. Let me know in the comments if you've used this tool and how it has helped your trading. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more trading strategies, tools, and tips. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.